Hello, Georgie. Hello, little girl. Her sleeping. Hello, Sissy. Well, I'm not gonna hurt you, Sissy. Look at Mama. Okay, today is July 23rd, 2014. And little George, look how big he is. Little George is just about 5 months old. He is something else. Runs through the house like a crazy person. Or I should say crazy cat. Anyway, just thought I'd show him. He's bigger than little girl. I think he weighs as much as all of them. She's like 5 pounds, no, 4.5, and I think she might be 5 pounds. And George is probably at least 5 pounds. Okay, closing out on July 23rd, 2014. 1, 2, 3 out.